These came out good, guys. Not bad. You just gotta make sure you get your heavy duty bolts. I got these 12 by 2.5. This is a 4-inch 4x4. So I use these long bolts instead of the little tiny one it comes with. So use these. So what I did was use 2 on each side, and then I use whatever they provided in the middle. Same thing on the bottom. 2 heavy duties on the sides and 2 small ones in the middle. I think I should have those. Here what they come with. These little ones. So it's better to, and guys, pre-drill them, okay? Drill these. So here's the difference. You know, like, come on, guys, like. I mean, I'm surprised the manufacturer give you these. At least they should be this much long. You know, they should be longer for, you know, over time. This will. I just don't feel comfortable. So I'll put these in the middle, these 4 on the sides. Okay, and they came out good and they work. Rolled real easy.